Hi everybody, my name is Scott Robbins and I run sales for LEA Professional. I'm talking to you from LEA Worldwide Headquarters in South Bend, Indiana. We're really excited about our brand and about our product. And one of the things I get asked about all the time as we're growing rapidly is, what is it that really makes LEA special? You know, what is it that makes you guys different? Why should we think about LEA on a project when it comes to amplifiers? Well, the first thing is our people. We're all executives and engineers that came from a well-known amplifier company, especially their engineering team. They're very, very experienced when it comes to professional amplifier design. And so it was really nice to watch these engineers when you take them out of, remove them from big corporate encumbrances and let them create an invent something. And what they created was what we call the LEA Connect Series. These are all in these very attractive one rack space packages. It's got this really cool blue shark fin logo on the front. I always tell people they look as good as they sound. But they created the Connect Series, but they put lots of advanced technology into it, but it's not hard to use. Advanced technology doesn't do anybody any good if it's difficult to use. But at the core, it's just a great sounding amp that's reliable. But then we put all these extra features and technology inside of it that you essentially get as a bonus. One of those features is it's a smart amp. So we're used to smart amp technology in our homes. We have smart doorbells, smart security systems, smart TVs. We built a smart amp. We're the first people in the industry to do it. It allows for full remote control and monitoring of the product without having to be physically in the same building to go out in advance to do some troubleshooting or anything like that. So it's really great technology, but again, it's easy to use. The third thing that makes our company really special, besides our people and our product, is really the way we do business. We didn't want to build just a great product. We also wanted to build a good company. So what does that mean? Well, if you have a question, you call us up. Guess what? We answer the phone. The basics, the fundamentals. We aim to please and we aim to support our customers when they have a question with our product. The other thing is our warranty. We have what I consider to be the best warranty in the business. It's 6 years. If you have a problem in the first 3 years, we do an advanced replacement for 3 years. So you call us up, we send you a brand new unit, not a B stock, a brand new unit. You send the old one back to us, we pay freight both ways, and that's it. You don't have to wait for an amp to be repaired, we just send you a new unit. So Sweetwater is a great partner for us. They have these units in stock. If you want to give us a try on a project, we would really like for you to do that. Just contact your Sweetwater sales engineer and we'll get you squared away.